Yo, hello, Joseph Don here again, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we discuss everything sales, marketing, and building an online business that makes you a lot of money. Now, I want to especially thank all of you who took out time to view my last video, and you dropped comments and questions and everything. I really want to appreciate you, and I want to remind you that I'm here for you anytime, any day. My plan is to be dropping good content that will be valuable to you back to back. Okay, back to back, no jokes. You're going to see me more often and often as long as you keep the support coming. So quickly, I'm making this short video to explain something that somebody asked from the last video. So the person is Oyekunle Ebenezer Oyeniyi. You can see the question displayed on the screen right now. He asks, thank you very much, Joseph Don. My question is, I would like to switch over to WhatsApp business, but I don't know if I'll still be able to maintain all the groups that I belong because some of them are premium. So I'm going to answer this question, and then I'm going to tell you the difference between using WhatsApp business and the regular WhatsApp app for a business owner or entrepreneur. Let's say an affiliate marketer, content creator, anybody trying to push his or her business on WhatsApp. What's the difference between using WhatsApp business and the regular WhatsApp app? Before we go into the meat of the matter, I'd like you to kindly give me thumbs up on this video and type WhatsApp sales in the comment. Type WhatsApp sales in the comment. Type WhatsApp sales in the comment. Now, there are a lot of people basically looking for answers to their questions on WhatsApp marketing. And when you type WhatsApp sales, it's going to trigger the algorithm. And when somebody searches for anything related to WhatsApp marketing, they are going to show this particular video to the person. So go ahead and type WhatsApp sales in the comments. And by the way, if you have not subscribed to this channel, also make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. That said, let us get into the meat of the matter. So, what is the difference between WhatsApp business and the regular WhatsApp app? Now, first off, I'm going to share my personal experience with these two apps. I've used WhatsApp business and I've used the regular WhatsApp app. I'm into the coaching space, right? So I basically teach people how to sell and market their businesses like crazy. So I've been using WhatsApp for business since 2018. I started using WhatsApp business in particular, right? And it's cool because it comes with the label feature. It comes with a lot of features that are really good and supportive for business owners. But here is my experience with that. Now, to answer your first question, Ebenezer, nothing will change. Okay, so you basically log into WhatsApp business and then you're going to delete your regular WhatsApp app. Nothing is going to change at all. Your groups are going to be intact. Your contacts are going to be intact. I think your chats are going to be intact as well. What's just going to happen is that they're going to send all your contacts a notification if you have ever chatted with them before that, you're now chatting with a business account. So they just switch your accounts to a business account. So you'll now be able to upload catalogs and all those things, which are really great. But here's my experience. So I started using WhatsApp business. I was able to do catalog, description, you're going to put your location and all those things, your rates, your opening and closing time, labels and all that. But what I found out was that after generating, I was now running ads back to back, generating a lot of leads to the platform, right? And because of that volume of traffic and much interaction, I woke up one morning to see that my account had been flagged, that it has been banned, blocked by WhatsApp. And I was like, why? I didn't go against your policies. But now the funny thing is, when they tell you, oh, you violated the policy, they will now take you to a list of 13, 20 or 100 different policies without highlighting the particular one you violated. So it's difficult to know what you should avoid and what you should not avoid. However, I now switched to the regular WhatsApp, right? And for the last 2 years plus now, I switched to regular WhatsApp and I've been using the regular WhatsApp. And I've been generating traffic every other day, running ads, generating traffic back to back, but I have not experienced that block again. So if you're somebody that is going to be generating a lot of traffic every day, maybe like 300 to 400 to 500 people are hitting your WhatsApp every day, then I'd actually advise that you stay with the regular WhatsApp, right? But if you're just using it for your regular business, maybe you're a chef, maybe you're a fashion designer, maybe you sell eyewear, maybe you sell computers and all that, and you're not going to be generating massive traffic, right? Maybe like 500, up to 500 people hitting your WhatsApp every day and those interactions, then the bot is not going to flag you and all that, so you can maintain using the regular business app. So that is my experience with using regular WhatsApp and the business app. By the way, if you're blocked on the business, you can actually go back to the regular WhatsApp and use it. Right? For the business, I appealed for days. Nothing was forthcoming. I think they banned me from using WhatsApp business. I didn't even want to try it again, so I just switched to using the regular app, and I've been fine so far. So should you use the regular WhatsApp app or should you use the WhatsApp business app? It's totally up to you at the end of the day. Make your decision, use both of them and see which one really works well for you, and then go ahead to using it. By the way, make sure that all your contacts are backed up on your Google Drive in case Mark Zuckerberg serve you breakfast. You can quickly bounce back and inbox your contacts. Thank you very much for that question. If you have any other question based off of WhatsApp marketing, how to make money on WhatsApp, how to do business on WhatsApp, leave the question in the comments, and who knows, I may just make a video like this answering your question. Thank you very much for your time. I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Cheers.